Ons wat die binne in die saal werk is ek manier Steve.
Jy kan skep na daai toe maar wat baar wat oral kom hierheen in. Dat er onder en is boven die dakken meneer.
More than 600 houses was damaged during the 6th of May period of storms, and that has not been repaired to full. So that people obviously is left with a plastic roof, plastic sheet for a roof, and obviously that everything they've got is wet again. If I look at floods for my district, I think the last flood to this level was in 1981.